Good morning, teacher. We are here to say happy, happy Teacher's Day. You help us learn and help us grow. With love and care, you let it show. Happy Teacher's Day to you. We are so grateful for all you do. With a smile and a cheer, we celebrate you, teacher dear. You make learning so much fun. We love you, teacher. You are number one. Thank you for the things you teach. You are a star within our reach. Happy Teacher's Day to you. We are so grateful for all you do. With a smile and a cheer, we celebrate you, teacher dear.
Happy Teacher's Day to all the incredible teachers. Thank you for your dedication and inspiration.